Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. In this video, we will go over how to change your language settings on SigniFlow. Changing the language allows you to use the platform in a language you're more comfortable with, making it easier to navigate and manage your documents, which ultimately enhances your overall user experience. Your language can be changed in 2 locations on our system. Firstly, prior to being logged in, and then again after login. Let's get started with changing the language on the login screen. First, open the login screen. On the top right-hand corner of your screen, you will see a button with a globe next to it. Select this button. A list of language options will display. Select your preferred language from the list, and the entire system will be updated immediately to reflect this. To change your language from within the system, first log in. Click on your user icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Select Change Language. Select your preferred language from the list, and the entire system will be immediately updated to reflect this. And that is how you change your language on SigniFlow. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.